Interestingly, bromelain isn't one specific substance, but is a mixture of health-promoting compounds. Bromelain can be extracted from the pineapple plant. Most investigators believe that within that mixture, the enzyme that's most nutritious is a proteolytic enzyme that has a high concentration of sulfur. Now, what a proteolytic enzyme does is it breaks down protein. That's why bromelain is often used as a meat tenderizing agent. While pineapple is often associated to Hawaii, interestingly, it is native not to Hawaii, but to Paraguay and to Brazil. It was brought to Hawaii in the 1800s. They immediately adopted it into their culinary and medicinal traditions. How does bromelain support musculoskeletal health? The likely mechanism is due to bromelain's potent anti-inflammatory attributes. Inflammation is a good thing. Inflammation is necessary to help heal the body and help protect the body from infection and invasion from foreign pathogens. However, sometimes inflammation becomes too aggressive, too hyperactive, and it causes collateral damage. And when we talk about inflammation, what we're really talking about are immune cells. So anything that can help neutralize hyperactive immune cells could potentially benefit the musculoskeletal system. Especially since certain types of chronic musculoskeletal injuries, such as unhealthy tendons and unhealthy joints and unhealthy muscle, are in part due to this chronic inflammation that for some reason your body keeps on fueling. Bromelain has been shown to tamp down and mitigate unrestricted inflammation that's helping to magnify and amplify musculoskeletal injury. Bromelain has been shown to inhibit or decrease the activity of special signaling molecules called cytokines. Now, white blood cells, immune cells, during the inflammatory process have a very intricate communication network. And what transfers information from one cell to another cell to help orchestrate this process are molecules called cytokines. Now, certain cytokines, such as tumor necrosis factor alpha and certain types of interleukins, help promote inflammation. Now, bromelain has been shown to interact with these particular cytokines and reduce their activity. Additionally, bromelain has been shown to inhibit the adhesion of immune cells, white blood cells, to blood vessels. Now, the way in which immune cells, white blood cells, get from one area where they're produced to sites of inflammation is through blood vessels, and then they're able to leave the blood vessel and then go into the area of inflammation. Now, bromelain has been shown to make it very hard for these white blood cells to get from the blood vessel to the area of inflammation. Finally, bromelain has also been shown to reduce the synthesis and production of certain types of molecules called prostaglandins that cause some of the symptoms that you associate with musculoskeletal injury, such as redness, pain, and swelling. Bromelain has been shown to boost joint health. Researchers in Great Britain looked at a cohort of patients who had chronic knee pain, and the group treated with bromelain reported decreased pain and increased overall function after a 4-week study. Bromelain supports tendon health. Researchers in Nigeria, using a rat model of tendon injury, added a bromelain extract to Achilles tendon injuries in rats. And what they noticed was when they compared the group that had bromelain to the group that didn't have bromelain, there was a statistically increased amount of new tendon cells once the Achilles was treated with the bromelain. Bromelain promotes muscle health. American scientists evaluated the effect of bromelain on muscle soreness and muscle recovery. What they noticed is when they had two groups of adults pursuing physical fitness, the group that was taking the concentrated bromelain extract reported less muscle soreness and a faster recovery and performed at a higher level during repetitive activity. By far the best source of bromelain is pineapple. And not all parts of the pineapple have equal amounts of bromelain. In truth, the core has the highest concentration of bromelain, and the periphery, or the sweet part, has the lowest. And so it's unfortunate that when you buy prepackaged pineapple or pineapple in a can, the majority of bromelain has been removed. So when you're eating pineapple for health benefit, make sure to eat the fibrous core, because that's the best part. Bromelain from natural food sources is generally well tolerated. However, if you're considering any type of bromelain supplementation, please consult with a qualified health practitioner who's familiar with your unique medical history and background.